In this program, we are going to learn about force. What is force? Force is a push or a pull. Forces make things change their motion. When a person pulls on an oar, the boat moves forward. A push on a swing makes the swing go higher, and the person riding the swing go higher. Isaac Newton is a scientist who is responsible for explaining a lot of what we know about force and motion. Newton helped people understand that, like these dominoes, every time a force pushes or pulls an object, the motion of that object will push or pull something else. Sometimes a force acts upon objects from a distance. The gravitational pull of the sun on the Earth holds the Earth in orbit around the sun. Gravity is also the force that pulls us and everything around us back towards the Earth. To fight the Earth's gravitational pull and leave the Earth, we need a powerful push force that we get from rockets. Sometimes a force acts on an object by contact. For example, when a bat hits a baseball, the bat makes contact with the ball, and the ball changes its motion. There are different kinds of contact forces. Friction is a contact force. Friction is made when an object, like these tires, try to move across the surface of the road. When an object like this book is resting upon a surface, the surface is exerting an upward force. This is called a normal force. The force used to drive a nail into a piece of wood with a hammer is called an applied force. An applied force can be applied to an object by a person or another object. The world is full of motion, and all motion happens because of force. Now that you better understand forces, think about this. Does gravity push or pull us towards the surface of the Earth? Think about it.